Hello, again I am with you with a new dish that is juicy fish. Welcome to my channel The Double Treats. So let's cook. For this I am taking gram flour. Then I am adding coriander powder. This is cumin powder, red chilli powder and salt according to your choice. This is Ajwain seed and mustard oil. Ajwain and mustard gives a nice flavor to the fish and adding with lemon juice. Lemon juice gives a tangy flavor to the fish. Now I am going to marinate the fish. Washed fish pieces is ready. Now it's the marination time. For marination, mixing it well, coating of the masala over the fish for 30 minutes, keep it at rest. This is for the gravy preparation. 2 red chilli, garlic, ginger, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon. Just frying it and blend it in blender. I have taken only 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Now frying the marinated fish in medium flame. So have patience or you can deep fry this. So it is ready. It is golden in color. We can eat it as usual also. But as it is juicy fish, so now I am taking onion. You can see minimum oil is required for this dish, so it is healthy. And this is the blending roasted masala. Now just cook for 2 minutes, adding this fish fry to it, and in low flame just cook it for 10 minutes. You can see all masala absorb in fish pieces and it is ready to eat with roti or rice. You can see the juicy fish is ready. If you like my recipe, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Happy cooking, healthy eating and keep smiling. Bye. Stay safe.